Repo Pete. Come on.
Turkey sandwich.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh,
Alright, get in quick.
It's not about you, it's about her. She's real.
Alright, alright. We lost some good people, but we made it through that. Surely it'll be smooth sailing now, right? Aw.
Tell me your cat is a psycho without telling me your cat is a psycho.
Excuse you!
Guys, I think the bus has done all it can.
I think I like
We
this
have a second to go
airline.
inside the bus really quick if you want to grab something. Now's the time. Well, Doc, here's my recommendation. Grab a shotgun and grab all the ammo you can fit in your backpack. I don't care if you don't know how to shoot, just go. I'm gonna pick one out for you.
Fast as fluff,
Juniper!
boy. Still fast as
Oh my
fluff,
God,
boy.
thank you. We just barely made it through. Excuse me, Doc. Thank you so much, Juniper. It's so kind of you. Alright, pick that up. Yeah, we made it through the tunnel. It was bad. I'm supposed to save the guy who played the server. I don't think. No. Know anything about crime.
No.
Drop another gun for you. That's okay.
my
That's okay.
God. You
Red first, yellow in the back. And then you pull the trigger to shoot it. Oh. Juniper's model, all right? She cute. I can't. Listen. I didn't think a moth could be so pretty. I'm not simping. That's like the best thing you can tell me. Put all those shells on the ground. Put those in your bag too.